Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial aspects of any V5 robot, the drivetrain. A good drivetrain can make or break your season, so let's learn how to build a winning one. The first thing you will need to decide is what kind of drivetrain to use. The three main types are X-Drive, 4-motor 4-wheel, and 6-motor 8-wheel. These all have their own advantages and disadvantages, like the X-Drive being able to drive in all directions but being slower and weaker, and the 4-motor 4-wheel being simple but not very strong. The one I will be focusing on, and the best one for fast-paced games, is the 6-motor 8-wheel drive. The next thing you need to consider is the gearing. Vex motors usually have 3 different cartridges you can use to change the speed and torque. The red one runs at 100 RPM, green at 200, and the blue at 600. Keep in mind, if you use a fast cartridge like the blue, you won't get nearly as much torque. On the left, I have one side of a 6-motor 8-wheel drivetrain. Using a mix of cartridges and gear ratios, I have achieved an RPM of 400 for the actual wheels. Breaking that down, it starts with the 600 RPM blue motors that are driving the 24-tooth green gears. These then turn the 36-tooth red gears, which are connected to the wheels. This gearing achieves 400 RPM in the wheels, but not with a huge amount of torque. Another thing to consider is what kind of wheel you will use. Traction wheels are good for sticking to the ground and not sliding around. Omni wheels will shift you side to side, but are very good at turning. Mechanism wheels aren't very good at driving straight, but are really good at spinning. These all also come in different sizes, which are very important when you want to either stay low to the ground, move faster, or get over certain objects. Some other general drivetrain tips are make sure you have a crossbar going all the way across it to ensure rigidity, and also use screw joints for your wheels, not axles. This will reduce your friction by a lot. So to sum it all up, and my recommendation for this year's game, Pushback, you should be using a 6-motor 8-wheel drivetrain to ensure strong and fast motion, and also have lots of stability. You should also be using the blue motors as much as possible to get fast. Make sure you have the entire thing rigid and solid so that something doesn't pop up later and you have to take apart your entire robot to access the drivetrain. Thank you, and I hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Bye.